So this might just look like a bin of leaves. So just a regular plastic bin. But in the bin, I'm actually generating soil using some composters that people don't really think about. But I go out and I capture, well, not really me, absolutely. Actually, a friend of mine does, because he's actually selling these. But these are millipedes. And this bin has a bunch of different colors of the same species, but they produce soil. So if you're wanting to produce your own soil, consider making bins of millipedes. And you can feed them, different garbage scraps and things, but you really got to have some sort of wood in there, like some sort of punk wood, or some sort of soft old rotten fallen trees. You put that in there, and then you can add your vegetable scraps and stuff. If you have too much garbage in there, it's going to be too much for these guys. But so you want to, the more you make garbage wise, the more millipedes you want. But yeah, make you some millipede soil.